neoclassical architecture, garden-inspired living, and a grand luxury lifestyle living. Now that's the new phase of Sada Hali brought to you by Lodha. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Lodha Sada Hali, developed by Lodha Group located in Sada Hali, North Bangalore. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So now let's begin with project overview, and this masterpiece is spread across 70 acres of massive land. Developed in multiple phases, now Lodha is launching with phase 1 in 15 acres with approx 5 towers. Here you can choose between 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium home. This is not just another project but an European garden estate with neo-classical architecture. Now talking about the location, this project is strategically located in Terabanahalli, Sadahalli, North Bangalore, where you can connect to Airport Toll Plaza in just 10 minutes. Prestige Tech Cloud is also 10 minutes away. Campagoda International Airport in 15 to 18 minutes and upcoming Prestige Forum Mall that is just 12 minutes from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and Lodha offers you ultra luxurious amenities with 5-star hospitality with leisure and wellness. With 2 acres of grand clubhouse with private dining, 18 acres of natural lake, open air barbecue, multi-purpose court, 85% of open space and much more amenities. Now about the carpet area, and this project offers you 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium homes with horizontal living and large deck, where 3 BHK starting from 1550 square feet to 1650 square feet. 3 BHK plus study room is 1750 square feet to 1850 square feet. 4 BHK is 2550 to 2650 square feet usable carpet area. Now about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage and we are open with the EOI window, that is expression of interest window. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the sample flight once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a teaser of Lodha Sada Hali by Lodha, located in Sada Hali, North Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.